In this video, I will explain the method used in setting up a subscription button for use in WP Vanity email. In the administration panel of WP Vanity email, you'll notice that there's two options, a buy now and a subscribe button, and the associated code for both the standard name and the premium name. So I'll explain to you how you set this up in your PayPal account. So first of all, you'll enter PayPal. From here, you're going to go to Merchant Tools, and then you're going to go down to subscribe here. You're going to enter a name, so you're going to say, and here you can put your domain name, and whether it's just a standard type of email address. You can select your currency. You can also, I would suggest you add a drop-down menu box, and here I just put in payment options. And then in option 1 I would enter monthly, and in the other option I would yearly. Change that, and I would change this down here to yearly. This could be 9, and this could be 100. And then I would remove option number 3. After you've done this, I would click on Done. If you scroll down a little bit further, you'll click on Step 3. Now here you'll see you do not need your customer shipping address, so you don't need it. So click on No, and then I would check on these next two boxes. The first one is take customers to this URL when they cancel their checkout. That happens if they back out of the payment process or their credit card is declined. The other one is to take customers to this URL when they finish checkout. So to accomplish this, what we need to do is we need to go back into our administration panel and find out the exact URL of the pages that were made by WP Vanity email. So for the WP Vanity email error, we'll view this page. This is when they back out of the payment process. Okay, we can cut and copy the URL here. And it says basically payment hasn't been received. You have 24 hours to complete the payment option. Then what we do is we return to our PayPal, and we click here and we go Control, we paste it in. Okay, the next one we go back to our pages, go back here, and we're going to go to our welcome email. We're going to click on View. And in here we just explain to them that it's going to take a little bit of time, like congratulations for their new email, but it's going to take a bit of time till we set this up on our server. So again, we Control copy this, we return to PayPal, and we paste it in. So that's all we really need to do to set this button up, and now we're going to click on Create Button. So now PayPal has created this button for us, so we're going to select the code, we're going to go Control copy, and we're going to return to our admin panel, and because that was a standard name for the subscription button, we would cut and paste our subscribe information in here. Okay, and we would return back to PayPal, and we'll go create a similar button, and it will do exactly the same thing for us. The only thing we can do is we can change this from standard to premium. And we can also change some of the prices. You know, you can make this. And you can do that done. So once you do that, you click on Create Button. The same applies. You select code, Control copy, you return back, and you paste that into the premium name area. Once you've done all this, you click on Save. The final step is now to test this on a public page to see how it looks for the end user. So I'll enter this page. I'll type in a first name. Type in a desired username. This will be just a standard name, not a premium name. A password. And I will type in an email address. For testing purposes, I just do a couple of, I do this. Because what happens is in the other email address when you're testing your plugin, if the email address is either your PayPal or the one that's in general settings on the WordPress, or has been used before, it won't render the button. So you need to use something just unique. This is just for testing purposes, and you click on here, I agree to the terms of service. This is what the end user would click, and if they click on terms of service, up would come, they'd be able to view that document. So we're going to click on get my new email address. And you'll see down here it says this email is secured. You got 24 hours, otherwise it'll be available to anyone to register. You can choose between your monthly or your yearly offering. And then once you click on subscribe, it'll take you to PayPal. It'll take your end user to PayPal to complete the payment process. This concludes the video in regards to recurring billing. Thank you very much and have a great day and good luck. Thank you. Bye.